How to sign in Capital One app. In this short tutorial, I will just show you how to sign in Capital One app in just few steps. So let's get started. First of all, you have to just go to Google and here you have to type Capital and just hit the enter. And once you hit the enter, basically, make sure you just type Capital One. And once you type that, you will able to come here and you have to click on this first link. Once you click on the first link, on the top right, you can see there is a sign in icon. So if you click here, you will just go to the sign in page and here you have to enter your username and password. So that's it, and once you enter the username and password, you have to click on sign in. So this is very easy, just like how you log in or sign in into a different accounts or social media. You have to do the same, exactly same thing here. But if you forgot something, for example username or password, you can just click here and you will able to rename your username, or you will remake your password. By the way, if you're not able to find this page, then here on the home page of Capital One, you will also able to see here username and password, which is basically both are the exactly same thing. So once you enter the username and password and click on sign in. So this is the easiest way to sign in Capital One app. I hope you found this video very useful.